To deal in Texas Hold'em, first deal each player one card face down at a time, starting with the player on your left and moving around the table clockwise until every player has 2 cards. These are the player's hole cards. At this point, all of the players check, bet, or fold, starting with the player to your left and going clockwise. After your turn to bet, burn the top card of the deck by placing it face down on the table. Then, deal 3 cards face up in the middle of the table. These cards are called the flop. Wait for the remaining players to bet again, then burn another card from the top of the deck. Next, deal a 4th card face up in the middle of the table, directly to the top right of the flop. This card is called the turn. Let the remaining players bet again, then burn another card from the top of the deck. Finally, deal a 5th card face up directly to the right of the turn. This card is called the river. All of the remaining players bet one more time before revealing their whole cards to see who wins the pot.